Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys are having issues when it comes to creating your website for StandStore, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to navigate through StandStore and how easy it is to get started and to set up your digital product store on StandStore. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. If you have never heard of StandStore, you're going to go to stand.store, or you can use the link down in my description of this video. So if you do not have a StandStore account already set up, StandStore will give you 14 days on a free trial, and then after that free trial, it will cost you $29 a month, or you can upgrade to the pro version for $99 a month. But as a beginner, the only thing you need is the $29 plan, and you want to test this out and try it out for those first 14 days so that you can learn StandStore and see how well you think it works for yourself. Once you have logged into your StandStore, this is what you will see on the back version of your account. So here is my store. If you want to go ahead and get started, the first thing you're going to have to do is just create your store on the back end side. So this is how you're going to navigate and add those products. Right underneath my store, here I already have products that are created, but if you are a beginner, the first thing you're going to do is hit add product at the bottom of your screen. So it gives you different essentials for you to use, the type of products. You have your digital product. You can collect emails. You can do an e-course. You can offer coaching calls. You can have a community, and you can create like your membership. Or if you have another website that you use, you can also include that on your StandStore. So StandStore is basically like a hosting website where it's going to be like an easy access, so that it's like a link in bio type of feel where it gets straight to the point without having to look through a whole website. Like, they'll be able to see exactly what you have to offer without scrolling through and becoming distracted. So you're going to hit digital product if you're someone who's trying to sell a digital product, or if you want to create a course, you can hit e-course. Or if you just want to start off by offering coaching calls on the topic that you have experience in, you can also start your business just by offering coaching calls and getting to know who your audience is and what it is that they need before you even create your first digital product. So you guys, when it comes to your digital product business, you have to realize that it is so many different things that you can do and so many different opportunities for you to make money, because you don't have to just sell ebooks and courses. Like, you can just teach your knowledge if you're someone who's good with speaking to people and, you know, giving them the ideas and the things that they need around a specific niche and audience that you are targeting. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your ebooks uploaded. If you need ebooks to get started with selling, you can check out my website. It's going to be linked down in the comments as well as in the description, where I give you different digital products that you can start selling to your audience now so that you can make passive income. So you're going to hit digital product. And once you hit digital product, this is what you're going to see. When it says thumbnail, this is going to be the image that is hosted onto your website when they click on your StandStore. You can easily just create an image on Canva, or you can just choose the different images that they offer within the hosting of StandStore. So depending on what it is that you're doing, you can put in like business. They'll give you different images to choose from. So for the purpose of this, we're just going to hit this. You can crop it to how you want it to look. I'm just going to use this portion. And this is going to be the image that they see when they click on your actual StandStore website. So you're going to hit your title. I don't even know what I'm going to upload. I'm just going to bring something forth from the back end of my digital product business. So I just hit planners for resale. And you guys, I do offer a bundle deal where you can get 200 different planners to sell for only $30, and you can change these planners up. You can do whatever you want to do with them, or you can do what I do, which is to resell them so that you can get the profits to other people who want to start an actual business specifically around planners. It is the perfect time of the year to get into planners because everyone is getting ready for the new year, and because of this, a lot of people are trying to get their goals and put everything where it's organized for them to be successful. So this is the perfect opportunity to go ahead and get those planners and resell them, you guys. So that is a little idea I did want to throw out there to you. So we're going to put the subtitle. Now, you don't have to put this in, but you can basically in your subtitle just explain what it is. So we're going to just put 200 planners with resale rights. And you're going to hit next. And this is going to be the checkout page. Here you can also do the same thing. We're going to put in planners to see what pops up. So you have this planner. We're going to just choose one. And this is going to be the image that is shown once they actually click on the product that they are trying to buy from you. So in your description, this is where you basically want to tell what it is that they're receiving, so that you're able to create a description below. 200 planners with resale rights. Now, one thing I do love about StandStore is it is so beginner friendly, and everything is basically generated for you. So once you put in your description title, you can hit generate with AI, and instead of you having to create like a description about what this is going to be about, AI will generate this description for you to save you time and to save you the hassle of trying to come up with a description. But if you're someone who wants to just create your own description, you can happily go ahead and do that as well. As you can see, it gives you a little description that you can add. So if you like what it is that it tell you within the description, you can hit replace, and that's going to replace what your description is. You can also add to it, or you can take away, just depending on what it is that you need to say and what it is you feel like your audience needs to know about this digital product that you are selling. So you can hit the call to action button in the bottom title. You can keep it exactly how it is. I always like to hit like it's a discount, because when it's a discount, like a lot of people want to go ahead and grab it because it is on a discounted price. This is 200 planners, and normally something like this would cost you around like $197, you guys. Like, it can be expensive just depending, but I don't like to be pricey. So I like to try to keep everything at a budget friendly price, so my audience is able to get those products and go ahead and begin generating money. I don't want to just be someone who's just about money. My biggest goal here is to educate and to have passion and to give you guys the knowledge and the experience that I have gained over the last 7 years of being an entrepreneur. So if I can give it to you guys at a lower price, like, I make sure that I do that, because it's not about the money. I know at the end of the day, God will still bless me in tenfolds. I'm just here to serve and do his work. So that's what I do. So it just depends on your price and how you want to set up your business. But always remember, when it comes to the pricing, you want to try to make sure that it is a price that is going to be friendly for your actual target audience. So if you know you're trying to target single mothers, you don't want to be overpricey, because it could be too expensive where they can't afford it. You want to make sure that you're giving the knowledge and you're able to give it to them at a price that's going to be affordable to your actual target audience. So keep that in mind. When it comes to the collect info, you're going to choose what it is that you want to say. The basics is going to be the name and email. You can have it where the phone number is required if you want to set up a SMS marketing, but that's not necessary. So it just just depends on what you want. If you need to do a drop down box and the text to get more value, just if like you're setting up a membership and everything, you can do that to ask questions to get to know your audience even more. But for the purpose of this, I won't need those things because it's just going to be a PDF file. So here, number 5, where it say upload your digital product, this is where you're going to upload what it is that you're selling. I'm going to choose one of my PDFs that I already have within my company, and that is uploaded. You see the green checklist, and then you're going to hit publish. And once you hit publish, you guys, that's going to be the end of that. And as you can see, you can go down here, and it has the planners for resale. You can click on that, and you can hit up here to see what it looks like. And once someone goes on your store, this is what they will see. Everything that you just did. And that is all, you guys. That is how you're going to add your digital products to StandStore. Now, if you wanted to create your design and the look of your actual website, you're going to hit the edit design. And StandStore already has templates for you to choose from on how your design will look according to how you want it to be. So depending on how you want it to look, this is how you would choose which template is going to be best for you. And this, you guys, is as easy as it is. I mean, I don't feel like it can get any easier than this. So you just want to go on here and you just want to get those PLR products that I have for resale, or if you've already created your ebooks, or if you just want to simply start off by just offering coaching calls. I feel like coaching calls are still a good way to go ahead and get sales and to begin generating extra income for yourself. So if it's something that you already have a lot of knowledge in and you know a lot of different things, you can easily start off by just accepting coaching calls and learning what your audience needs from those coaching calls. So the problems that your audience may have, you want to start creating digital products based around those specific problems so that you can be the resolution, so that you can be the solution to those problems. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you go back and watch other videos that's going to be helpful for you to begin your digital product business. If you need more resources and you're ready to start your digital product business, make sure you also check out my website and check out the different PLR products that I have that you can take, use as your own, and go ahead and begin generating income for yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.